Okay guys, just found a deal on $100 4K drone at Walmart. It's Breeze, y'all. Y'all go ahead and check it out, see if it still got the deal going on. If I was you, I will go get it right now. So let's take a look and see what this thing can do. This is my first day with it, so you know the settings are kind of at the minimum. Let's bring this thing up a little bit. Get it turned around. Nice picture. I'll spend that $100 any day. The only thing I wish it came with 2 batteries, but you can go on Amazon and find 2 batteries as cheap as about $50. Then you have 3. I'm not the best pilot. I'm still learning how to work it out. But from looking at the image, it looks pretty good. And you can also control the camera about 180 degrees up and down. And it has follow me mode, return to home, orbit. It has a lot of features. If you don't know from watching other YouTube videos, that's me. Hey y'all, what it do? You can see the clouds. It's giving a nice picture. $100. So I'm still kind of figuring out the controller. Well, you know what? That's the only thing I noticed. I could not get the controller to connect Bluetooth. So I'm using my cell phone. I have an iPhone 7. So I'm pretty sure it'll work. Yeah, I know it works with the iPhone 10. I'm not sure how far it can go back. Maybe an iPhone 6. From some of the reviews I've seen. People with iPhone 5s and under, they could not connect. And it goes up to about 280 feet away. Right now I'm on like the beginning setting, so that's pretty low. So it's kind of close. But just imagine what you can do with it. And I'm not getting paid from Walmart, Breeze, or anything. I just checked the drone out. I watched a lot of drones online. It's something I wanted to add in my collection. Give me about 2-3 drones. And this a keeper right here. So far, so good. It has a return to home, automatic land, everything. It shows the battery percentage on your phone, everything you can imagine. Now, is it a $5,000 drone? No. But for the money, you can't beat this. It's like one of the best starter drones you can buy. It has the little safety parts that clip snaps on around the propellers. It's nice. So y'all go ahead and ride with me. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna have plenty more videos to come. This is my first ride.
Step to the front, step to the front, step, 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 Come on, Drake, the Drake. Let's go,
You know how we do it, that's all cause we don't let them know. Bitches be begging for attention, that's an easy bro. I ain't gon' lie, I can't be messing with no cheese, bro. Ooh, I like it when you hit the floor and shake it, girl. Come on and twerk it for a player. Girl, what you doing? Want you working for a player? Nah, hustle by the world and do it my way. Yeah, we be, I'm the one that make them girls say.
Okay. I done been all over the world. I done seen a lot of faces. What's crazy to me is that no matter how many I meet, it still ain't nothing like a New Orleans girl.
Let's start from the beginning. Her name was Deborah Brown. She caught my daddy's eye and he's still around, which helps me prove my point. It must be something in the water, cause 40 years later, and he's still glad he caught her. For myself, these girls from New Orleans know that there's something else. When they call you baby, they melt you like some sugar. And don't let her cook your meal, cause that's gon' show enough seal the deal. Yeah, over. Yeah, it still ain't nothing like a New Orleans girl. Ooh, I've been all over. Cause Katrina put them all over the world. You better watch out if you see a New Orleans girl. I said you better watch out. Katrina put them all over the world. You better watch out if you see a New Orleans girl. Ooh, I've been all over.